Hey, good morning. Another fine hot day. Today we're going to be working on the driver's side, or left, whatever you prefer to call it, front fender. Where the headlight goes on, we got a hole there. And we're going to cut most of this out. Maybe not all of it. I may cut across here. I want to keep as much of it under though, once I get it cleaned up. So we'll probably cut somewhere in here and back around in here. I want to keep it underneath the light if I can. This is the worst part right here. So we'll see what we can get done. I get them cleaned up, go from there. Alright, we got it cleaned up. And I was right. We're going to repair all of this here. Now the headlight comes down around in here. There's a rubber. So I want to kind of try to keep it. So I'm going to come under these holes here. I got these holes here, so all I got to do is go from there. That's 4.5 inches to center. Now I measure the outside of this hole, the downside of this hole, 4.5 inches from center. That gives you your center mark. And we'll check over here. And we got 4.5 inches. Center. Okay. We're going to leave these holes. So I got something to measure down to these. I'll show you the piece. I got to get it cleaned up yet. It's a good solid piece. Somebody cut the fender all to pieces and saved that, thank God. We were able to get a hold of it. So if we lay that over that like that, what I'll do, four and a half, good. So, I'm going to draw a line on the bottom of the top holes. Okay. So I'll come down 1.5 inches. Down here, 1.5 inches. Drive a line across. Okay, now we got to find center between these holes and these holes. So we got 5 1/4. Center, 5 1/4. So it'll be 2.5, 2 5/8. There. And these are 4 3/4. So it'll be 2. All right. I'll be right back. Alright. What did I say that was? 4 3/4. So center, 4 3/4. 2 3/8. Right there is center. That's the center line. So all we got to do is clean up this, get these measurements, put on that, cut everything out with our cut line. It's right there. And then we'll come over here and figure out the edge of the hole over. We go 1/2 inch there. Use the center of that one. That'll keep it inside. Like that. But we go bottom of the line, center line, we go 6 inches, say. Now we come up here. 6 inches. There to there. There to there. Looking down however much we need. Alright. I'll come back to you as soon as we get this cleaned up and stuff. Alright, we got a little upgrade here. A little change of plans. As you remember, I was going to cut a piece out of this to put in there. Unfortunately, this fender goes over on the other side. I need the left hand, and this is the right hand. So this curve and this curve, they don't match these. This curve here is here. So, throw that out. We go to plan B, which is just cut out the bad spot, which the rest of this metal is all in good shape. Oops, gotta clean that up a little bit before I weld. It's all in good shape. So I made a panel, curved it the way I wanted it, set it in there. Got a little bit of trimming to do yet on the top here. So we'll get that done. We'll get the welder over here, and we'll get that done. And there we go. Got a little bit of work to do yet. Right down in this area here. It's a little low, so I'm going to put some pins in and bring it up. And I got one little hole here and there. I'll touch that up. And another one down here. I'll get that tomorrow. I might get it now. I don't know. Okay. Good morning. Now today we're working on a fender, front fender. You see all these little black marks? I'm trying to get a lot of them out. Little low spots. Not too bad. Here we got a dent here. Then over here, we got a high spot right in here. We got to take care of. The boss calls them whiskey dents. All them little spots like that. So this one down here, if those up there are whiskey dents, I'd have to call this one a moonshine dent. It's a doozy. Got a high spot here, real low here. Got to weld in a patch down here where it poked a hole in it. I got it straightened out some. We'll keep working on it. Okay, we're going to have to do a little more welding on this. I'll take you over and show you the reason for it. And get this glove off. Set it up here where it'll fall on the floor again. Alright, what we got, I welded in here. So this isn't too bad in here. However, this along here looks like crap. It's welded, but it's high here and low here. When I ground it, didn't look right. Got all these little holes in it. They're not holes, it's just low welded. So we'll put another bead along here, grind it down, it'll look great. What do you think? Be all right? All right.
Finally, I'd like to ask for my approval.
Yeah, we do. Yeah. Good morning. Today, I'll show you what I finished up yesterday. Got this all straightened around. Piece all welded in down here. Where the heck was it? Yeah, it was down in here. Got a piece all welded in. Still needs a little bit of filler, but we got most of the dents out of it. So today, I'll take you over and I'll show you what we're going to start on. I don't know why that's like that. Alright, today we're going to start on the front end here. And I got a little dent in the hood I'm going to take care of. We're going to take the hood off, take that fender off. But down here is the problem. I got to rework this corner. So, she's all bent up pretty bad. Got some highs and lows. So we're going to pull the radiator out, pull this all out, put it on the bench, and go to work on it. Okay, I'm going to get that fender off.